Oh my gosh. First of all, this video is long overdue. Lighting. I'm trying to get good lighting. Hi guys. How you doing? Yeah, so I haven't been vlogging as I said I would. So this is just like a quick catch up about like what's been happening. Okay, so first of all, right now I am in SA. I was here for a work trip. For those of you who don't know, I have a 9 to 5. I work at an NGO. I do really cool stuff there. Yeah, that's what I do. So I wanted to give you like a quick update of what's been happening in my life because I went quiet for super long and y'all don't deserve that. So first things first, I had the Maitisong festival in April. So like from March, from like March into April, because the show was on the 19th of April, there was gang preparations happening. There were daily rehearsals. There was meeting up with the amazing dancers to like coordinate how to do things, band practice. It was just insane. But the show was lovely. It was beautiful. It was packed. I am eternally grateful to everybody who came through to support. Big shout out to my team, Taf, Naz, ECL, the sound team, Pumi Sounds, that's Lex and Rachel, the camera crew, Ray, Kizito, Onele, you guys did such an amazing job. Thank you so much. The videos are out, guys. Please watch them, like them, share, comment, engage. I'd also like to thank the dancers, Irie, Prince, Omar. You guys were fantastic. Oh my gosh, like every time I watch the videos I feel like I'm watching someone else's show. It was gorgeous. It was amazing. I have evidence, so go watch the videos. Who am I forgetting? The people who came through to support, you guys were amazing. The interaction was dope. It was lit. It was fun. Yeah. And I probably should thank the Maitisong team for hosting the festival and giving us the platform.